Hi, this is Arun from Random Codes. In this video, let's try to understand HTML text formatting. HTML provides several elements to format a piece of text on a web page to look different than the normal text. These are used to display special types of text, with some of them looking different than normal text without adding any additional CSS. Here is a list of all such text formatting elements and their significance. The first one is a bold tag, which looks like this, and this particular tag will make the text bold. The next one is a strong tag, which will make the text important, which is usually rendered and displayed as bold text and lets the browser know that the text is important in the context it is used. The next one is italic text. So this is the italic tag, and the next one is emphasize tag. So this will be used to specify emphasized text, which is usually rendered and displayed as italic text, and it also lets the browser know that the text is emphasized or stressed in the context it is used. It is used to mark up a technical term, a thought, or an idiomatic phrase. So the next one is underline tag to specify an underlined text. The next one is strike tag, which is used to specify a text with a strike through. The next one is small, which will be used to specify a small text, which is usually 1 unit smaller than the normal font of a HTML document. The next one is big. This is to specify a big text, which is usually 1 unit bigger than the normal font on a HTML document. The next one is a marked text, which is used to display the text with a highlighted yellow color background. The next one is deleted tag, which is used to display a text to indicate that it was there before and deleted now with a strike through on it. The next one is inserted text, which is used to specify a text to indicate that it was not there before and inserted now. The next one is subscript tag, which looks like this, and this will be used to specify a subscript text which is displayed half a character below the normal line in smaller font, and this will be used in mentioning chemical formulas on HTML document. The next one is superscript, which is displayed half a character above the normal line in smaller font. The next one is for monospace text, and the tag will look like this, and this will be used to display text as seen in early computers and typewriters where all the characters take the same width. So here is an example that we have added to this article on our website, where we have included one example for each of the text formatting elements that you have just looked at. Now let's open this example HTML document in a browser and see how all these elements are processed and displayed. Here is the HTML document that we are talking about, where we have included one example for each of the formatting tag that we have discussed now. Now let me open this in a browser and see how the content is displayed there. This is how the content is displayed on a browser, where the bold tag will be displayed like this, and this is how the strong tag will display the content, and this is for italic, this is for emphasized, and the underline, and this is how the strike through text will be displayed, and this is how the small text will be displayed. If we look at closely, the font size will be 1 unit less than the normal font. The next one is big text. The next one is for marked text. So this is how the marked text will be displayed. So with a yellow background for the content that is encapsulated within that marked text tag. The next one is for deleted text, inserted, and this is for subscript, and this is for superscript. And finally, this is how the monospaced text will be displayed, where each of the element. So whether it is IM19, not just these four, but all the other characters will also take the same width. However, there are a couple of items among all these which are not supported by HTML5. One of them is strike through, and the next one is monospaced. Overall, this is how all the text formatting elements will display the content that they encapsulate in a HTML document. So though these will enhance how the text displays on a HTML document, so it's not just for display, but it also conveys some kind of details about the content that it encapsulate to the browser. For example, if you look at the strong tag, so it makes the text bold, it also tells the browser that the text is important. Similarly, for emphasized text, and for deleted and inserted as well. We have to make sure we are using the right HTML elements when we are adding content to our HTML documents. That's all for now. I hope this video is useful. Let us know your feedback and suggestions in the comment section. If you like the content, feel free to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you on another video with a different topic. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.